face.
Oh, thanks. You fixed it good, Bluto. Oh, Papa, you're one.
We'll spend a heavenly day here where the whispering waters play. Wow, another leaf. Oh my gosh.
Oh, Papa, run!
I fixed the pipes and the solenoids.
Don't you come near me, you sloth watcher! Help! Save me, Popeye!
I gave Bluto